What's up guys, Sam from BSC Tech with another short video, and in today's video we are going to transform iPhone XR and iPhone XSMAX to the next generation iPhone devices. For this purpose we have ordered a few beautiful skins from eBay which arrived on time, as you can see on my right hand. This skin is basically for iPhone XR, which will transform my old iPhone XR into iPhone 11. After I install this on my device, I'll be able to use any new case that is designed for iPhone 11. And this beautiful skin is designed for iPhone XSMAX in order to transform this device into the next generation iPhone 11 Pro Max with no difference whatsoever at all. We have few cases and we are going to try one of them on XSMAX. So let's jump on to the iPhone XR, guys. Moving forward, if you're new to channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the bell icon button so you get all the latest notifications. Just to remember, guys, these skins are easily available on eBay, and if you can wait, you can order few other colors from Wish or AliExpress, and they will be delivered in time. This skin is basically designed for iPhone XR. By the time you place them on, you have to align them correctly. Take as much time as you want, and don't worry if you put it wrong, you can always peel it off, because the material is PVC and mixture of hard plastic with the strong adhesive glue at the back. If you don't want to use a back case, that's not a problem. You can use these skins without using a new case as well, and they will stay as long as you look after your device. So the iPhone XR is now transformed into iPhone 11 with this lovely red color skin, guys. You can pick and choose. There are plenty of colors available. Now we will move towards the iPhone XSMAX. On this device I have been using this screen and camera lens protection glass cover for some time. You can clean your camera and the back before you peel off the new skin and apply them on your phone. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. Before doing the application, you can place your skin on top of your phone and camera lens just to measure that and make sure that it's the correct size, and then afterwards the placement is very simple. The best practice is to peel off half of the skin and then place equally on top of your camera lens, aligning with the top edges on your phone, and then you can press from either corner, either right or left. This is what I do actually when I want to place an iPad or iPhone screen protector or a skin. So guys, as you can see that the new skin is installed and the phone, it looks exactly like iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now we are going to use one of the cases which were designed for iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is a sub case, and you can use this to give your phone a brand new look. The whole purpose was, guys, I don't want to buy next model unless the third generation of iPhone 11 Pro Max is launched. So in order to save money and transform your old device into a brand new look, guys, with the help of new cases, you can put them on the back, and you will have a very refreshing feeling out of your old devices. This will save you a lot of money, and obviously this will give you a new kind of feel when you use your device every single time. Guys, if this video has helped you out in any way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get all the upcoming notifications directly to your inbox. Stay tuned to my channel and keep watching. I'll bring more videos to you. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.